But you think Bitcoin ETF approval is coming and imminent?
Yeah,
well?
I do.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but that's what I think.
Your opinion matters, former SEC chairman.
Actually, we think that the SEC approval, should we and others get it, is a green light for institutions. We've been talking to quite a few of them, and they're much more interested now that the SEC effectively is paving the way.
Hey, David, yeah, that is the question. A Bitcoin ETF, it's now widely expected to get the green light this week. Two sources close to the process now telling me it's looking like Wednesday, which is also the deadline for Cathie Wood's ARK and 21 shares bid. Then I'm told potential trading would happen Thursday or Friday, but it has been a moving target here on dates. The SEC is expected to approve a handful of applications at once. Those sponsors filing even more paperwork this morning, where we are starting to get a sense of this price war emerging. There are 13 applications out there with different fees. Some are starting at zero and then rising once the fund hits a certain size. So BlackRock, for example, plans to start at 0.2% and then go to 0.3%. Fidelity at 0.39%. Grayscale looking like the highest here, 1.5%. This one's worth watching, guys. It's looking to convert an already publicly traded Bitcoin trust, GBTC, into an ETF, so known as an uplist. With 27 billion roughly under management, GBTC would become one of the largest commodity-based ETFs if it is approved.
Bitcoin itself obviously seems to have been moving up in anticipation of that. If and when it finally does come, as you say, as soon as Wednesday, are there any expectations it's going to further the rise here, or is the news already baked in?
So Fundstrat did a little bit of research on this and looked at some of the historical analogies. You've got the CME futures that launched and then a futures ETF that already exists. They say there were deep downdrafts after both of those announcements and do expect a bit of volatility and potentially on the downside, but they try to say this time is different. They point to global liquidity conditions at those points when you had strength in the dollar and rising rates and say that was categorically different. So it's a divisive topic if it is priced in. You've got a lot of people on Wall Street that say it is a potential buy the rumor, sell the news event, and it has been priced in. You've seen this run up in crypto stocks as well. So one of the big fears out there, although Fundstrat says this time is different, but we will see if and when this does get approved.
All right.
Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Zen Lounge. I have more daily updates to share with you today. As you've seen, many of the industry experts are predicting a massive week in the crypto industry. They're expecting that the Bitcoin ETFs will be approved by this Wednesday, and it could begin trading as soon as Thursday and Friday. Right now, we see Bitcoin is the highest it's ever been in 2 years. It's actually above $47,000 right now. So unbelievable if this really happens. I know a lot of us at the Zen Lounge really don't talk about Bitcoin too much. However, if you understand how the cycle works and the path to alt season, you have to understand that the first phase is Bitcoin pumping, and the money flows, the profits flow from Bitcoin into the altcoins. So people that are in altcoins have been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and things could get parabolic very, very soon. So anyways, we do know that pumps cannot last forever. There is a lot of crazy news that could happen in the next few months. We do know that Epstein, basically the documents keep getting revealed and more high-level people are being exposed in these documents, which could shake things up. I also have a series. I have another video coming out today talking about the potential threat of cyber attacks attacking our financial system. So, I'm enjoying this. We knew they were going to send the markets to all-time highs for a very long time now, and we're very close. 69,000 is not that far away. And most of the people that I know aren't even talking about Bitcoin or crypto. They're still assuming it's dead, even though Bitcoin is almost all-time highs. Anyways, you know what is crazy though? So I want to talk about one thing about this is look at what happens in the world today. So on YouTube, they actually turned off my comments for this video about Epstein. They won't allow people to comment on this video. I've tried to fix this numerous times. Have you guys noticed that the YouTube commercials, YouTube is actually doing commercials with Brad Garlinghouse, a fake AI Brad Garlinghouse, which promoting a scam. So they'll gladly accept people, scammers promoting their commercials on YouTube, but they won't allow people to comment on a video like this. It's insane. So another thing is, because we are moving into what I would say an insane parabolic bull market, potentially, you have to understand that as the market gets hotter, the scammers get smarter and the scammers try harder. So remember that there's going to be a lot of scams out there, and to protect yourself by educating yourself how to avoid crypto scams. That's one of the benefits of joining Zen Lounge. We have 2 beginner tutorials on how to avoid crypto scams. Of course, you could do your own research online, but just remember, as the market picks up, so do the scammers. And remember that we did not endure this crypto winter to get scammed right before the bull market. That would be absolutely terrible. So I have some more daily updates on different topics coming later today. I just wanted to put out this urgent message because it is Monday today. So in 2 days, we will find out. So let's see what happens. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'm going to be doing daily updates moving forward. So remember to check in daily with the Zen Lounge, and let's see what happens in 2 days. Let's just see what happens on Wednesday. Is this all a giant mainstream PSYOP pump and dump scheme by the elites, or is there actually going to be a massive institutional, flow of money coming in once these ETFs are approved? I'm betting on all-time highs. However, remember, you guys have to do your own research, come to your own conclusions. Remember that this channel is not a financial advice channel. So do your own research, and I'll see you guys later today. Peace.